In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively utilize ChatGPT to enhance your productivity and creativity. To get started, you'll want to open ChatGPT in your browser and log in. It's important to ensure that you're logged in with the correct account to access all the features and options you need. Once logged in, we want to begin with defining the role ChatGPT will play in your task. This is where you customize the interaction based on your needs. For instance, if you're planning your job search strategy, instruct the AI with, "Act as a career coach and help me plan my job search strategy." This initial instruction sets the context, guiding ChatGPT to provide more relevant and specific responses tailored to your particular needs. After establishing the role, the next step involves breaking up large tasks into manageable chunks. This strategy can significantly improve the efficiency of the conversation. Let's say you're outlining a book about personal finance. Begin with a broad prompt such as, "Outline 5 main chapters for a book about personal finance." Here, the AI can give you the structural framework. From there, you can delve deeper into each component. For more depth and detail, follow up with prompts like, "Expand Chapter 1 with real-life examples and practical tips." This approach ensures that you progressively build upon each section, refining your content to achieve clarity and thoroughness. Moreover, consider asking the AI to present information in various formats. This flexibility is particularly useful when you're dealing with complex data or instructions that need to be presented clearly. For example, if you have an explanation that you'd like to break down further, you might say, "Rewrite this explanation as a checklist." Such requests can facilitate better understanding and can be adapted for presentations or educational purposes. As you navigate these interactions, you might identify certain prompts that elicit particularly effective or insightful responses. Be sure to save these prompts for future use. Think of them like templates. These well-crafted questions and requests can be revisited whenever you find yourself tackling similar projects or needing inspiration. It's all about making these interactions as productive and insightful as possible by guiding the AI with clear, precise instructions and incrementally building on its responses. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to making the most out of ChatGPT's capabilities, whether you're sorting through personal projects, crafting creative content, or enhancing learning and understanding. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and happy creating.